આજે મારી સ્કૂલમાં આરસીટી કોડી છે મતલબ ડ્રોઈંગ અને દિયા મેકિંગ કોમ્પિટિશન હતું. મેં ડ્રોઈંગ અને દિયા બનાવી છે. તો ચલો જોઈએ. તો અમે આવી ગયા છે પ્રેરણા સ્ટોરમાં. આ દિયા અમે બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને બનાવ્યા છે. આ તમે ખરીદશો તો આ પૈસા પુઅર પીપલને હેલ્પ થશે. કેટલી સરસ હેન્ડમેડ બેગ બનાવવામાં આવી છે. અને આ નાની બેગ. આ કેન્ડલ જો કે મસ્ત ડેકોરેટ કરવામાં આવી છે. ऐसे करेंगे बाद में भूल काढ़ी तो हो गया. अब दे याद कर लिया. अभी है ना वही सफल करके ना वही कार्ड निकाल के खाएंगे. Can you explain what is this project?
So first I will explain my name. My name is Dikshita Saw from class 5. Today I will explain these experiments with my classmate Bhanvi. So first we will start from measurements.
This is millimeter,
It is centimeter,
decimeter,
it is meter,
decameter,
it is hectometer.
and this is kilometer. And if we go downwards, we multiply it by 10.
If we go upwards then we will divide it by 10. So now I will explain this shapes that I have made from cube. This is toothpick and clay.
This is a pentagonal pyramid, this is a cube, this is a pyramid, this is a polyhedron, this is a pentagon, this is a triangular pyramid, this is a hectagon.
This is a quadrilateral, this is a rectangle, octagon, cube, and this is a tripod, and this is a heptagon. Now we will go to our onwards to our activity sessions. So this is a cube. So we will pull it so it will take a 3D shape.
This is a cylinder.
This is a hexagonal prism,
And this is a triangular pyramid.
and this is a cone.
And this is a cuboid.
Thank you.
થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. વેરી નાઇસ પ્રોજેક્ટ. તો જો અહીંયા બધી સ્ટુડન્ટની ડ્રોઈંગ છે. કેવી મસ્ત મસ્ત છે ને. જો આ રોકેટ હર્ષિવ પટેલ સેકન્ડ ક્લાસથી. આ છે વિવાન અગ્રવાલ. તો જો આ છે ફાર્મિંગ કરે છે. આ એક પ્લાન્ટ છે. જો આ એક ટ્રીમાં બેટ બર્ડ્સ છે. પછી આ એક એલિફન્ટ છે. એલિફન્ટ. આ એક આંખ છે. વાવ. આ ટ્રીમાં બધું ચોંટાડ્યું છે. અને આ નવરાત્રિનું છે. પછી આ એક બર્ડ છે. મસ્ત ચીચી કરે. અને હેપી દિવાળીનું છે. પછી આ બીચનું છે. પછી આ છે રેડ ફોર્ટ. પછી આ છે બીચ. આ છે દશેરા. પછી આ છે સ્વાન. જોર્જ. મારું જોર્જ ફેવરેટ છે. અને અહીંયા This is a game Jan Lingo. My colleague is going to explain it.
So in all these pockets there's a chit, and on this chit there's a Gen Z slang word written on it, and you will have to guess what the word means, and it's fine if you don't get it because we'll help you. Please choose out any chit. Do you want to guess what that means? What do you think it means?
Oh no.
It's fine if you don't know.
नहीं खबर.
What it actually means is, पता है मूवीज में जब देखते हैं कि एक मेन कैरेक्टर होता है, राइट? सो इट्स लाइक अ माइंडसेट कि मैं मेरी ज़िंदगी की मेन कैरेक्टर हूँ, लाइक अटेंशन के सेंटर. यू नो, गेट इट? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर प्लेइंग. Do you want to go again or?
ये क्या है?
Thank you.
જો ને સ્પાઈડર છે. ક્રિએટિવ સ્પીચ. હવે શૂઝ. જો આંખ. Lamb. Ajo things with feelings. So this is a game. My friend made it. Hetvi name is. Now Hetvi is gonna tell you what is this game.
This is a game. Simile girl use like or s to compare things, and metaphor man use is to compare things, and personification is non-living thing but do human actions. Now you have to think. You can take one chit from the bowl and you have to think in which bowl that chit will go.
The snow blanket the earth in silence.
Okay. Map. Okay. This is right or not?
Now will my friend Naisha gonna explain this game.
So in the previous game you understood what is simile, metaphor and personification. So in this game you have to make pairs. For example, cloud.
ये कहाँ से मिला? ये कहाँ से मिला?
So cloud are fluffy like cotton candy. So these two are pairs. So you have to make more pairs.
These are
like
examples of simile. Yeah, there are many examples of metaphors and
Metaphor.
this. So you can make some pairs.
there are many examples of metaphors and personification.
Wait, I will give you one more example.
Yeah. For example, time.
Where's time? Time is money. Time is money. So this is
an
metaphor.
example of metaphor.
So you have to make pairs.
ये कहाँ से मिला?
उसने दिया.
No, it's not right. It's okay.
You can say this and this.
No. This.
Star is coming.
No. Star. Star and where are star and eyes, because they both are sparkling.
अच्छा. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
તો અમે આગળના બી સ્ટોલ જોઈએ. ચલો. એક સાયન્સનો સ્ટોલ છે. આ શું છે ખબર નહીં. પછી આ એક સ્ટોલ બી છે.
Good afternoon.
હવે આગળ જોઈએ. આ એક રોબોટનો સ્ટોલ છે.
लेकिन जो दिखता है क्या वही सच्चाई है? तो आइए देखते हैं आज की कहानी, एनर्जी ड्रिंक पर आधारित सच्चाई या धोखा। जैसे हर चीज का सही वक्त होता है, वैसे ही अगर चॉकलेट को लिमिट में खाया जाए तो क्या हर्ज है?
एक में किसी का नाम है हीरो।
हर महीने एक नया खिलौना चीजें तो जल्दी टूट भी जाती है।
Here is the innovation of 1947 and 2025. My colleague is explaining.
Yes. Good morning, guys. So this project is about SS. I am representing the subject SS from Green Valley School. So here, as you can see, we are representing the innovation of India to from 1947 to 2025. So this project is about, this model is about technology, this is about agriculture, and this is about economics. So here we first in earlier times we used to go to markets and buy fruits and vegetables. So now we have the modern applications from at home. At home we can order things from these apps. Here we have a new banking system of our personal school, Green Valley Bank. We have made this by our own. So it's about agriculture. In earlier times, humans and men would farm like with struggling, and here we have new latest technology like drones for spraying pesticides in larger areas, and we have mechanical arm to cultivating the crops. We have solar system and satellite. So here we have about technology. In earlier times the roads were very poor quality, so the traffic jamming problem was very increasing. So our India had developed to clear and new highways and flyovers. As you can see, highway has now FASTag system, so traffic jamming has reduced by 90%. In rural areas we can't place our FASTag and toll taxes. Here you see this old home. In the earlier times, on earthquakes the homes would damage, and we used to lose our people lives. So now we have made this new and perfectly designed buildings for India. It's a new shop here. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Hello sir, good morning. So this is a probability park. I'm Tanish from class 11th, and this is my friend Yash. So we'll explain it to you. First, this is a probability wheel. He will be explaining it to you.
Good morning, sir. With the help of this probability wheel, we can learn the outcomes between 1 and 9. And with the help of this pointer, we will reach the count.
Outcomes.
Outcomes. Thank you. As you can see, the number 4 has arrived. So the probability of getting number 4 is 1 by 9. And since number 4 is an even number, so the probability of getting even number is 4 by 9. Now my friend Tanesh will entertain you with the help of cards.
So basically this is a deck of cards. It contains 52 cards in it, in which there are 26 red and 26 black. Would you like to pick any card from this, sir? Thank you. 7 of hearts. So you see the number 7. So getting probability of number 7 is 4 upon 52, which is 1 upon 13. And getting probability of heart is 13 upon 52, which is 1 upon 4. Thank you, sir.
So what is the total one for 7 of hearts?
1 upon 52.
52.
Because there is one card only,
Yes,
like
makes
this. Okay. Make sense to you?
Yeah, makes sense.
Thank you, sir.
કેવી લાગી મારી સ્કૂલ? હે ને? કેવી છે મારી સ્કૂલ? સારી છે ને? આ વિડીયો કેવો લાગ્યો તમારે એ કમેન્ટમાં કહેજો.